How to fix Logitech webcam not working. So the first thing you can do is to just check the webcam connection. You can try unplugging the Logitech webcam and reconnect it firmly to a USB port on your computer. You can also go ahead and allow camera access in your Windows, just in case you haven't. So go ahead into your settings, go to your privacy and security, scroll down until you find the app permissions, and you're going to go ahead inside camera. You're going to go ahead and toggle on your camera access for whichever app or website you want access through. But if you want, you can just toggle the top option over here to toggle pretty much everything else. Another thing you can check is through your device manager. So you can check your webcam in your device manager. So go ahead into device manager. You can just go ahead and open it up from here, search device manager, and go ahead and open this. So from here, you're going to go ahead into cameras and you're going to find your Logitech webcam. If it is missing or showing an error, you can try reconnecting it or trying another USB port. You can also check Windows Update for available driver updates. You can also close other apps that is using the camera like OBS or any kind of Meet kind of app or any program that may already be using the webcam. Then try reopening the app you want to use and make sure the Logitech webcam is selected as the camera input. You can also update the software or test another computer if none of those options work. So you can check Logitech support for your exact webcam model and install any recommended software or updates. Supported models may use Logitune for camera settings, and if the webcam still doesn't work, you can test it on another computer. But if it still fails there, the webcam or its cable may have a hardware problem. Those are a few options you have if your Logitech webcam isn't working properly. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.